Welcome. The focus of this presentation will be on our simple and comprehensive meal accountability solutions, but also has a very brief overview of our additional products that might be of interest to you in the future. We feature a host of easy-to-use but budget-priced child nutrition software programs, providing you with the software tools that you'll need in today's school work environment. Starting with our central office software, to our free and reduced application processing software. Next we have our point-of-sale solutions, then our employee time and attendance tracking, the inventory management, to our cloud-based offerings which consist of online credit card meal payments, student meal purchase history, to our online web applications for free and reduced meal benefits. All these programs are designed to meet government accountability regulations and are designed with a user in mind. Rather than having a one-size-fits-all solutions, our modules operate independently or can be integrated into a total solution, allowing you to build a solution at your own pace at a price you can afford. By partnering with numerous third-party companies, we provide you with options for additional business processes. For online credit card meal payment processing, we work with RevTran. Finger scanning, we integrate with Identimatrix and M2Sys. For school notification software, we work with School Messenger and Blackboard Connect. And for HACCP automation, we work with Century 9000. Plus, we also integrate with numerous school district student information systems. Plus, to give you more flexibility, we utilize Crystal Report Writer and all of our software modules for creating additional program integrations. With this host of export data file formats such as Excel, CSV, XML, you can import data to different applications. In fact, we have created an export function for the state of New York to accommodate their data warehousing requirements, and we have created a data export function for the state of Texas monthly reimbursement claims. This is just to name a few clients. Sometimes clients need a choice of software deployments. Our software can be installed on-premise or hosted in the cloud. Our hybrid version can be created, which is a combination of on-premise and cloud hosting. I will comment that many clients have found this configuration advantageous as it allows for mission-critical applications to work offline if there is a network outage. For additional flexibility, we now offer software as a service plan that allows you to pay monthly rather than an upfront license fee. Now, on the technical side, we operate in a Windows environment and utilize SQL server databases. And if consideration is given to us for hosting our application, it does require either Microsoft Remote Desktop or Amazon Workspaces. You might be wondering, who are we? Well, we're a 10-year-old company that specializes in providing easy-to-use but economical software solutions to the school child nutrition market. And you can rest assured knowing that we're experienced and knowledgeable in every aspect of your business. And we'll also make a promise to you that we will not leave you stuck in limbo with our solutions. We know that service and ongoing support is just as important as the software itself. With our remote internet support technology, it's just like we're sitting there with you to answer questions or fix your problems. You can be assured that we'll be with you every step of the journey, today and in the future. Now what I want to show you is a 30,000-foot view of how our meal accountability software modules fit together and a brief overview of each module and the benefits they provide you. First, I'm going to start with one of our cloud-based solutions. It's an online, free and reduced applications data capturing module. This simple web-based solution allows parents to fill out free and reduced applications online. As you can see, there are numerous benefits. One of the main ones is it eliminates hassling with paper applications. Plus, it alerts parents of preliminary meal classifications or status. With its seamless integration with our free and reduced application processing software, it eliminates the laborious task of data entry, which obviously saves you time and money. Although FAR Apps Online is designed for parents to fill out online applications, we know that you still have a lot of paper applications to deal with at school startup. FAR Apps Online can be accessed from any location with an internet connection. What this means is you could have your office staff, cafeteria manager, principal, secretary, or part-time workers enter the information during the peak season into FAR Apps Online for the paper applications. Many clients have discovered this as a cost-effective way of handling applications during the school startup. Now, the next module in our suite of products is our free and reduced application processing software, which allows you to determine student meal eligibility status while meeting all government accountability and reporting requirements. This is not a one-size-fits-all solution as many of our competitors market. We feature a single user version to districts with light application processing requirements and a multi-user version for districts processing a lot of applications. What are the benefits? First, you instantly know the student meal status when processing an application. It's easy to use and data entry is minimized. You save time by importing data from multiple sources. The verification process is simplified. With real-time updates, the student meal statuses are automatically sent to the appropriate places. For flexibility, you can easily process single, family, or foster child applications. With our letter wizard, creating letters or emails has never been easier. If you're selected for an audit, you can be assured that you will have an audit trail. With FAR Apps Report Wizard, you can easily slice and dice the data to get the reports the way you want them. Now, the next module in our suite of meal accountability products is our Comms Pro Central Office software. It facilitates the data flow between our meal accountability software products. Or to put it another way, it's the hub that gives you the insight to all the school data for making informed decisions. First, you can combine the data in just about any manner you would like. You'll always have patron meal account information at your fingertips with the centralized meal account database. Plus, you'll always have a selection of over 200 reports that allow you to aggregate the data and report on just about any data you need. And with this built-in financial tools, you'll find that Comms Pro is much more than just a meal accountability system. You'll find you have the ability to look at snapshots of the operational analysis of your department, with reports such as income versus cost, or I call it a P&L, or meals per labor hour, just to name a few. With these easy-to-use tools based on the guidelines published by the Institute of Child Nutrition, you'll have a way to positively impact your organization. Now, the next modules in our easy-to-use suite of products is point-of-sale software and hardware. First, I want to explain the hardware options that our software requires. Again, we give you choices. For on-premise installation, it requires Windows-based point-of-sale hardware. Or if we're hosting the software in the cloud with Amazon Workspaces, you can use iPads, Android tablets. You can buy the hardware direct from your preferred vendor, or you can purchase the hardware from us. Again, we provide choices for you and your budget on point-of-sale peripherals that are used for student identification at the serving lines. Now I want to briefly show you an example of a multi-serving line point-of-sale software configuration installed on-premise. First, the point-of-sale manager software and database is installed on the cafeteria manager's computer. Next, the point-of-sale satellite software is installed on each point-of-sale computer located on the serving lines, which are networked back to the cafeteria manager's computer. As an option, the point-of-sale satellite software can be installed on a Windows-based wireless tablet that communicates with the cafeteria manager's computer. I will comment that the tablet configuration is normally used for meals and classroom service or running a remote kiosk serving line. Another configuration is for single serving lines where there is no manager's office computer. This allows for the point-of-sale manager and satellite software to run on one computer. Now to the point-of-sale software. It doesn't make any difference whether you're on the CEP, Provision 2, or Standard School Lunch Program. Our solution will easily accommodate all your government and meal accountability requirements. We know you need a system designed with a cafeteria manager and cashier in mind, and a solution that can be programmed to work the way you want it to. Of course, we also know that versatility is very important to you, along with having a simple but yet comprehensive system with a host of management reports. Now, I want to briefly explain about a companion product to our school site point-of-sale solutions. It's COMS Limited and is normally installed at the school site front office and connects across your network to the cafeteria manager's PC. It allows you from the front office to accept money for prepaid Patriot meal accounts, do refunds, or run the campus site point-of-sale reports without having to go to the cafeteria. It's an ideal add-on software program. The next module is our online credit card meal payment solution, which parents and school administrators say is invaluable. It allows for parents to log on a school-branded web store and prepay for meals using credit cards or e-checks. Then the funds are electronically transferred from the web store to our central office program, which in turn sends and updates the student meal account at each school site point-of-sale system with credit card payments in a real-time process, saving you time and money. Just think, you can have an option you can eliminate not having to handle cash or checks at the school sites. Plus, it can be more than just a web store for collecting meal payments. You can have it collect fees for other school activities such as field trips, books. It's a multi-purpose web store. And parents like its easy use by being able to prepay for multiple children at one time. And you'll find it's a real help in sending out low balance or negative balance notifications to parents. And you'll be pleased to know that dealing with chargebacks or hot check issues are gone, as all funds collected through the web store are guaranteed. The next software product in our suite really complements the online credit card payment software. It allows parents to go online and view a 30-day history of all transactions for their child's meal account. It goes without saying, parents and child nutrition personnel really like it. Another component that's utilized throughout our programs is data imported from your student information system. These are key data pieces that we use to match data in our programs, and just as important to you, it eliminates redundant data entry on your part, saving you tons of time. As you can see from this snapshot, our software has many built-in data import-export functions that you would expect in an integrated, seamless solution. These features are all designed to save you time while maintaining data integrity. As I mentioned earlier, our software modules work independently, allowing you to create a solution at your own pace or integrate them into a total solution as being illustrated here. Now to summarize, first with our customer care support, I want to emphasize that we'll be in it with you on every leg of the journey. We'll give you an unrivaled value proposition with multiple choices of software and deployment options and pricing that will not destroy your budget. In closing, we welcome the opportunity to give you an in-depth product tour and the benefits to you of any of the software modules presented in this presentation and how they could easily fit into your budget and your organization. Again, thank you for viewing this presentation, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.